Hi everyone, welcome to my Manual World. But please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you'll never miss my videos. So let's get started. So today we are going to make a coins drawing. Okay, so let me show you how to draw a sheep with this coin. First you need to draw like this. Okay, so after you need to draw a face like this, two cute eyes, a nose, and like this. Okay, like this. So our sheep is done. Then you need to draw like this, the legs and the tail and some lines. So we are done our turtle. Then like this, you need to draw some cute little eyes, hands, the legs, and the cute little tail. We are done our puppy. Draw a boy. Lines. And like this, and some shorts, legs, his hair. So our boy is done. Now let's do the girl. Ponytails, then eyes, eyelashes, eyebrows, and mouth. Then let's draw her frog, and she is holding a ice cream, a cherry on her top, this and the legs. Okay, gingerbread man. Okay, then like this, a happy little face and a pom-pom on top. Then let's draw like this. Okay, so a gingerbread man is done. So let's do the orange, then a plate, then like this, and okay, so let's do a flower. Then a dot. Okay, so now we are done. Let's do first a rabbit, ears, eyes, then the nose, mouth. After you need to do like this, legs, that it was holding the carrot. So our rabbit is done. So let's do a kitty. Cute little boy again. Eyes, okay, nose, mouth, then like this. We are gonna make a clock. Okay, first let's draw the numbers. So now I'm done drawing the numbers. Okay, so let's draw a dot at the middle. Then let's keep 12. How to draw a Santa first. Okay, then let's draw like this. Then let's draw his ears. Then let's draw his body. Okay, then let's draw his legs. Lines again, and Let's draw a snowman, and then let's draw his scarf, a hat, and hands, then buttons made out of rocks again, then snow at the down, and snow falling from the sky. So now we are done making it. Okay, coin drawing. Okay, so let's color it. Okay, so I'm done coloring this. Okay, so it came out really good and I like it. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and this video should get 5,000 thumbs ups. Okay, goodbye.